DeWalt stud finders are popular tools, but they can be unreliable with inconsistent readings and false positives. Understanding common issues helps you get better results. The first thing to check is your batteries. Fresh batteries are essential for accurate readings. Make sure they're properly installed according to the plus and minus markings, and ensure the battery contacts are clean. Stud finders work by detecting density changes in walls. This means they have significant limitations. They won't work on concrete, brick, metallic surfaces, or ceramic tile. These materials interfere with the sensor's ability to detect studs. Wall thickness and hidden metal can also cause problems. DeWalt stud finders work on drywall up to 3/4 or 1.5 inches thick, depending on the model. Metal plates, pipes, or wiring in walls can interfere with detection. To improve accuracy, always calibrate your stud finder before each use on a section of wall without studs. Move the device slowly and keep it flat against the wall. Select the correct scanning mode for your task: stud detection, metal detection, or AC wire detection. If problems persist after checking batteries, surface compatibility, and proper technique, contact DeWalt support for assistance. They can help diagnose device-specific issues or recommend alternative solutions. Proper calibration is the foundation of accurate stud detection. Without correct calibration, even the best stud finder will give unreliable results. First, place your stud finder flat against the wall surface. Press and hold the power button until all LEDs except the green power LED turn off. This calibration process typically takes about 1 second. Once calibrated, move the stud finder slowly across the wall. Keep it flat against the surface and maintain a vertical orientation. Consistent pressure and steady movement are crucial for accurate readings. Understanding the LED indicators is essential. Yellow LEDs indicate you're near the edge of a stud, with arrows showing which direction to move. When the center red LED illuminates and you hear a constant beep, you've found the stud's center. Once you've located the stud center, use the marking hole on your stud finder to mark the exact location. This ensures precise placement for screws or nails. If your device seems to initialize over a stud, move several inches away and recalibrate. Remember that wall material, thickness, and your technique all affect accuracy. For challenging situations, consider magnetic stud finders as a reliable alternative.